In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text bold in Samsung. By doing this, we are changing every text on the device, making everything bold. So to do this, simply navigate to Settings application. In Settings application, locate the section for Display. In Display, locate the section Font Size and Style. In here, you will be provided various tools and options to modify and change your font size and style. Simply click the toggle button for bold font. By this, we are turning bold font on and making every text in our font displayed in bold. And that's about it. That's how you make text bold on Samsung. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.